Isolate the pump motor. Pump inlet and outlet delivery valve closed. After pump top casing cover bolts unscrew. Decouple the motor and pump. Unscrew the coupling bolts. Both the pump drive end side and non-drive end side stuffing box bolts unscrew and remove the nuts. After pump top casing cover, lift and remove outside the pump. Insert the web sealing, lift the rotating assembly outside the bottom casing. After lifting the rotating assembly outside the pump bottom casing, to check the bottom casing, collar ring double pins in proper condition. Start the rotating assembly dismantling. Unscrew and remove the bearing cover non-drive end side. Remove the bearing cover. Bearing outer race in the bearing cover. Bearing balls are damaged. Non-drive end bearing check nut. Locking washer lock open. Unscrew and remove the check nut. After remove the locking washer. Remove the bearing inner race. Bearing is fully damaged. After removing the inner race, after removing the inner race, remove the bearing seal ring. Stuffing box gland follower bolts and nuts unscrew and remove the nut. Loose free the gland follower. Apply oil in the stuffing box gland sleeve and rotate the stuffing box free. Then remove the outside the shaft. Remove the outside the shaft stuffing box. After removing the stuffing box, remove the outside collar ring. Unscrew and remove the bearing cover drive end side. Remove the outside the shaft bearing cover. Bearing cover inside the bearing outer race bearing damaged. Remove the bearing inner race from the shaft. After that, remove the seal ring outside the shaft. Stuffing box gland follower bolts and nuts unscrew and remove the nut. Loose and free the gland follower. Apply oil in the stuffing box gland sleeve and rotate the stuffing box freely. After, remove the outside the shaft stuffing box. After that, removing the stuffing box, remove the collar ring. Remove the outside the shaft collar ring, drive end side. Before unscrewing the sleeve, check the pump rotation and delivery. Pump rotation is clockwise and delivery is left side. Sleeve locking the drive end side sleeve. Unscrew the first non-drive end side sleeve and remove the outside the shaft. Next, remove the impeller. Keep non-drive end side bottom and drive side top vertical position. Push the bottom side impeller and apply a oil inside the shaft so the impeller freely comes outside the shaft. Remove the impeller outside the shaft. Remove the impeller key outside the shaft. After that, unscrew and remove the sleeve outside the shaft, drive end side sleeve. Rotating assembly dismantling is completed. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share.